One of the things I love at IBS is the chance to put my hands on all the new tools. Apparently so does everybody else because it's chaotic here at the Ryobi booth. You know, when it comes to convenience, you can't beat a cordless tool. And the buzzwords of cordless today are lithium-ion batteries. Here's the reason why. A lithium-ion battery just like this one from Ryobi. This is their new line. 20% lighter makes a difference when you're holding that tool all day. It will hold that charge. You can use it 2 times longer. Even when you're not using the tool, sitting on the shelf, it will hold it 4 times longer. And talk about the durability and drive of these things. Fabulous. Now, if you're in the market for new tools, definitely this is what you want. Let's suppose, though, that you don't need a new tool. Sherry, if I can have one of the older tools, look at this. It's interchangeable. Now, you've upgraded your old tool with the lithium-ion battery. We have covered a lot here at IBS so far, and we've got a lot more to come. You may have a few questions. I would invite you to check out our website at DannyLipford.com.